So guys, this isn't going to be an in-depth video on how to use ClickFunnels or a review of ClickFunnels. It's to give you a simple idea of what ClickFunnels is, how you can use it, and how it can benefit your business. Now guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Make sure to subscribe now. We upload weekly videos on social media marketing, online marketing, tips, strategies, all sorts of content. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. So ClickFunnels is an amazing platform which allows businesses to build different web pages to sell their products and services. But it's not focused on building just any type of web page. It's really focused on building sales funnels. So what is a sales funnel, you might ask? Well, this image here gives a basic premise of what a sales funnel is. The idea of a sales funnel is to get an individual to take a specific action. So it might be buying a product, buying a service, booking an appointment. It'll be whatever that specific action that is relevant to your business, the action that you want them to take. Now, the idea of a sales funnel is that you build a specific number of website pages that you drive traffic to from different sources. Now, there's lots of different ways to drive traffic to your website, but it could be, through Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google Ads. There's a lot of different ways, being paid advertising and also free. Now, normally the first page of a sales funnel is generally to try and capture a lead of some sort, so to get their email or phone number, so to get the contact information from the customer. Then this will drive them to the next page, which is normally the sales page, so where you'll be selling the product or service or whatever you're wanting to do. Then once they've made the purchase, this will often drive them to the second page where they'll go to the checkout, but often the checkout page, this third page, will also often have an upsell. So trying to sell the customer on another product, sometimes a complementary product. So say for example, you're selling at this initial sales level, you're selling a tennis racket. Now, when they're ordering on the third page, maybe you'll sell them a complementary product like a tennis ball, but it also can be an upsell, which is a more higher ticket product. So in using that same example, you might upsell them for tennis coaching, which would be a more expensive product. So trying to get them to spend more money. So that's basically how a sales funnel works. You're taking them through specific steps and getting them to take specific actions. Now, the great thing about ClickFunnels is it's a software that allows you to build these funnels and build them really quickly. You don't need to hire a website designer. You don't need to have any coding skills or really techie skills. It's just drag and drop, and you can build these landing pages at all these different stages of the funnel really quickly. It's really an unbelievable product. Now, the advantage over a funnel compared to a traditional website as well, because when you get to a traditional website, using eBay here as an example, you get to the homepage and there's a million different menus, tabs, buttons that want you to do a million different things. But the beauty about a funnel and the funnels that you can build is that you're guiding someone to take a very specific action. So to buy a specific product or book a specific service, and you guide them through that journey, and it's a very powerful thing, and will get you much higher conversions, being able to just guide someone through these steps of taking that one specific action that you want them to take. Now guys, if this is sounding pretty interesting to you and you're wanting to, start using ClickFunnels and start building your own sales funnels, then make sure to stay to the end of the video, because I've got a really good offer you can take advantage of, which will give you a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. Completely free, full access. You get to build your own funnels in this 14-day trial, test it all out, and see what it's all about. Right now I'm going to jump into my ClickFunnels account and show you some of the pre-built templates that they actually give you, which makes it super easy to build your own funnels and customize your own landing pages. So guys, I'm inside my ClickFunnels account now, and I've already set up what's called a squeeze funnel. Keep in mind this video I'm not going in depth about how to build the funnels, what funnels you should choose for different types of objectives. This is just to give you an idea of what ClickFunnels is about and a quick preview of what you can do. Now, that being said, you can see here all the different templates for the squeeze funnel that I've started that I can choose from. Heaps of different templates, all for different types of things. You can see this one, you can preview them as well. So they give you a general template to work from, and you can customize this as much as you like, which I'll show you very shortly and give you a bit of a preview. But there is heaps of templates to choose from, heaps and heaps and heaps. Let's have a bit of a look at this one here. So you can see they all come with a lot of different designs. You can move everything about, swap images out, change the text. There's heaps you can do. So what we'll do is I'll choose this one, and then I'll give you a quick demonstration of how you can edit the page. So I've now selected this page, and in my squeeze funnel there are two pages, a squeeze page and a thank you page. So the squeeze page is all about getting a customer address or a lead, but getting someone to put their email in, and then after they've done that, it'll take them to the thank you page, which it might just say, thanks, we'll be in touch soon, or you might give them something to download. There's a whole heap of things you can do with the thank you page. But this first page here, I'll show you a bit about the editing. So we can click edit page, and that'll take us into the ClickFunnels editor, where we can basically make this template our own. So you can see this is the desktop view of the template for the landing page. We can also change to mobile, which is probably the most important one to work from, because especially if you're advertising online, most of your traffic is going to come from mobile. So you can see it already doesn't fit great with what we would probably want to build in mobile, but we can edit all this. So you can, change the text here to whatever you want. You can move things around. So say if I wanted to swap this logo with the text here, I can drop it underneath. Now that hasn't worked very well, so what we can do is click on settings and we can adjust the padding. So all this is really easy. ClickFunnels have made it super simple to edit very quickly, so you can be pumping out sales funnels very quickly. Again, there's different sections which you'll find up here, so you can add a section, you can pick the type of column or page width, that you'd like. So you might choose full width, and you can drag and drop that to wherever you want on the page, and that'll build the section for you. Now once you've built the section, you can then add a row and pick the type of column layout that you want. So we might just click one column. Now that that's done, we can add the element, which is the third step, and this is where we can add things like headlines, sub-headlines, bullet lists, images, videos. There's heaps of stuff you can add, buttons, opt-ins. You'll use an input if you want to add fields for like getting emails, addresses, phone numbers. There's heaps of stuff you can add in, which you can see. So the best thing for you guys to do is basically grab the free trial, which I spoke to you about before, So have a look in the description of this video. There'll be a link there. Click on the link. It'll take you to a page. Just put in your email and it'll give you, you'll be able to start your free 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. Basically, the best way to get to know ClickFunnels is jump in, start testing, start building, playing around with it. The other really great thing about ClickFunnels, and it's a whole nother side to the business, is they really have a big educational side to the business, which is called Funnel Flicks. There's a whole heap of different videos and different trainings that are going to help you step by step. So it makes it really easy to learn and to become quite an advanced funnel builder. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a like, and if you want me to do a much more in-depth video about building funnels and all about ClickFunnels and setting everything up, I'm very happy to do that. So let me know in the comments below and we'll maybe do that next. Make sure to subscribe as well, and we'll see you in the next video.